Today, I am reviewing the Breville Infuser Espresso machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what makes the infuser stand out, and it's right there in the name, the infusion process. The Breville Infuser uses low-pressure pre-infusion to gradually soak the coffee grounds before applying high pressure. Why does this matter? Because this process helps extract the flavors evenly across the coffee puck, giving you a balanced, rich, and nuanced shot of espresso every time. No more bitter or sour surprises, just a smooth, well-rounded taste. One of the core strengths of the BS840XL is how it adheres to Breville's 4 keys formula. The 4 elements essential for crafting third-wave coffee. That includes the right dosage of freshly ground beans, optimal water pressure, precise temperature control, and the ability to create velvety microfoam from milk-based drinks. Speaking of temperature control, this machine is equipped with a PID digital temperature system. It keeps the water temperature incredibly consistent during the brew cycle and allows you to adjust it in 2-degree Fahrenheit increments. Whether you prefer a slightly hotter or cooler extraction, you're in control, and that means you can truly fine-tune your flavor profile. Now let's talk usability. The volumetric shot control is a dream for both beginners and experienced users. You can select a single shot, a double shot, or even manually control the volume of espresso with just a touch of a button. That gives you both the convenience of automation and the flexibility of manual override, a rare combination in machines at this price point. Another important element in your espresso-making arsenal is the steam wand, and Breville doesn't disappoint. The high-power 1,650-watt steam element delivers a strong, consistent steam output, perfect for texturing milk into that silky microfoam essential for lattes and cappuccinos. This means not only can you make delicious coffee, but you can also start experimenting with latte art, hearts, rosettas, you name it. One of the thoughtful touches Breville has added is the auto purge function. After steaming milk, the machine automatically purges the heating system, ensuring your next espresso shot is extracted at the ideal temperature. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in maintaining consistency cup after cup. And when it comes to maintenance, the Breville Infuser makes it relatively easy. It includes a cleaning disc, cleaning tablets, a dedicated tool, and a water filter with a holder. The 61-ounce water tank provides enough capacity for several drinks without frequent refills, and the drip tray comes with an empty me indicator so you always know when it's time for cleanup. Included in the box are both single and dual-wall filter baskets, a stainless steel milk jug, a coffee scoop, and everything you need to get started right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner building your first coffee setup or a seasoned espresso aficionado looking to upgrade, this machine delivers. In terms of build, the brushed stainless steel exterior not only looks premium, but is also durable. It fits well into any kitchen, whether you're tight on space or designing a dedicated coffee corner. To sum it up, the Breville Infuser Espresso machine BS840XL delivers professional-grade performance, fine control, and user-friendly features in one sleek package. Its balance between automation and customization makes it one of the best mid-range espresso machines on the market today. If you want to elevate your home coffee game and experience cafe-quality espresso, cappuccino, or latte without the learning curve or the commercial machine price tag, the Breville Infuser is a top contender.